Hi, this is me, Amal Hermes from Living Hairstyle in Spain. Today I'm going to show you how to do a nice lovely S braid. Yes? As you see, we have here a lovely nice mannequin here. I'm going to show you how to do that. So we're going to take a little bit of here, yes, and we're going to divide that in three. So just be careful. Little bit here, that's the first one, and the second one. The third one must be very big, too much here. So we're gonna braid the hair a normal braid. You see? So go on, nice and lovely, very beautiful, nice. And before we finished, see, beautiful, nice, lovely, yeah. And then here, don't put too very, we're gonna put one elastic, but very soft, very soft, very soft. See, we're gonna work from here. So we're gonna open just a little bit, slowly open the hair. So just a little bit, see, in form of S. I'm gonna take this one just a little bit, open the hair. See, and go here, just a little bit, open and form from S. Just carefully and beautiful, very nice, lovely form of S. See, then go here, just a little bit, form of S. And then go here, just a little bit, slowly, yes. And then see, as you see, we are here, we can't open everything, so we secure it with a nice, lovely, this form of S. Very nice, beautiful form of S. So we secure it with elastic, very beautiful and nice. Very easy and simple to do, and very beautiful, attractive, right? Yes, you braid the hair and very fast. So we're gonna comb the hair just nicely and beautiful. You can put one lovely nice flower here. See, very nice, the result, and beautiful. You can put some hair lacquer of anything you want in the hair. Very nice, beautiful, bright and very easy to wear. Very nice. Yeah. This is the result. So very nice. This is the result of the hair. Very beautiful, very nice, lovely, to do, and easy and simple to wear, and very nice. So yes. So yeah, thank you very much for watching me. Thank you very much. This is me, Amal Hermes from Spain. Bye bye.